Probability continued. Question number 1. In a given race, the odds in favor of horses A, B, C, D are 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, and 1:6 respectively. Find the probability that one of them wins the race. Now odds in favor are 1:3, so probability of A is 1 upon 1 plus 3, 1 upon 4. Probability of B is 1 upon 1 plus 4, which is equal to 1 upon 5. Probability of C is 1 upon 1 plus 5, which is 1 upon 6. Probability of D is 1 upon 1 plus 6, which is equal to 1 upon 7. Since all these events are mutually exclusive, so probability of A union, B union, C union, D, that means either A wins or B wins or C wins or D wins, is probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C plus probability of D, which is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 7, which simplifies to 319 upon 420. Question number 2. If probability of A union B is equal to 0.65 and probability of A intersection B is equal to 0.15, find PA dash plus PB dash. Now we know PA union B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Therefore, PA plus PB is equal to PA union B plus PA intersection B, which is equal to 0.65 plus 0.15, which is 0.80. Also, we know PA bar is equal to 1 minus PA, PB bar is equal to 1 minus PB. Therefore, 1 minus PA bar plus 1 minus PB bar is equal to 0.80. Therefore, PA bar plus PB bar is equal to 2 minus 0.80, which is equal to 1.2. Question number 3. Find the probability that when a hand of 7 cards is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, it contains number 1 all kings, number 2 3 kings, and number 3 at least 3 kings. Solution. 7 cards can be selected from 52 cards in 52 C7 ways. The first part, all kings. That means we need to have 4 kings from 4 kings and 3 non-king cards from 48 cards, which can be chosen in 4C4 into 48C3. So the required probability is equal to 4C4 into 48C3 upon total number of outcomes, which is 52C7, so which is equal to 1 upon 7735. Number 2, 3 kings. Now 3 king cards from 4 we have to choose and 4 non-kings cards from 48 cards, which can be chosen in 4C3 into 48C4 ways. So the required probability is 4C3 into 48C4 upon 52C7, which is 9 upon 1547. Now at least 3 kings, that means 3 kings and one any other and 4 kings. So we have to 3 kings and 4 others and 4 kings and 3 others. So the required probability is, we've taken all these 2 things taken out in the previous parts. So the required probability is 4C3 into 48C4 upon 52C7 plus 4C4 into 48C3 upon 52C7, which comes to 1 upon 7735 plus 9 upon 1547, which is 46 upon 7735. Question number 4. A bag contains 10 red, 20 blue and 30 green marbles. 5 marbles are drawn from the box. What is the probability that first part, all will be blue, number 2, at least 1 will be green, number 3, 2 are red marbles, 4th, 1 is red and 1 is green. Solution. Total ways of selecting 5 marbles out of a total of 60 marbles, because there are 10 plus 20 plus 30, 60 marbles is 60C5. So all are blue. So 5 blue can be selected from 20 blue marbles in 20C5 ways. So the required probability is 20C5 upon 60C5, which is 34 upon 11977. At least 1 marble is green. So let us find the number of ways in which we can select 5 non-green marbles from 30 non-green marbles. That can be done in 30 C5 ways. So probability all are non-green, 30 C5 upon 60 C5, which is 117 upon 4484. So the required probability is 1 minus probability all are non-green, which is 1 minus 117 upon 4484, which is 4367 upon 4484. Now the third part is 2 marbles are red. So we have to choose 2 red from 10 red and 3 non-red from 50 non-red marbles, which can be done in 10 C2 into 50 C3. So the required probability is 10 C2 into 50 C3 upon 60 C5, which is 5250 upon 32509. Now the last part, 1 red, 1 green. So 1 red from 10 red, 1 green from 30 green, and 3 blue from 20 blue marbles can be chosen in 10 C1 into 30 C1 into 20 C3 ways. So the required probability is 10 C1 into 30 C1 into 20 C3 upon 60 C5, which is 750 upon 11977.